What's going on? It's your girl. I'm back with another video. I'm filming on 2 different things, so don't say nothing about that. So we're doing my birthday maintenance prep. My birthday's next week, but I'm going to Columbus and stuff this weekend, so I gotta look good. So today I'm just doing a little face stuff, and then I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, and then one, because today's Tuesday. So right now I'm just about to nair my shit, no shade. So I'm doing my mustache. Look in the mirror. Get the side too. So normally I don't use the Vaseline, but I seen they said pull up at home. And I'm just doing my eyebrows. I did them last time, they turned out tea, so let me just clean them up, cause they low key still kind of good. And I'll be back, cause I gotta do the top, I can't really see. So that's what we look like. So now we gotta wait 10 minutes. Oh y'all, I'm so excited. I'm turning 27. Right. And I got a stubborn hair that always grow right here, no matter how many times I shave it or pluck or whatever. It's always one hair that grow back. I don't know what that's about. But I'll be back, y'all. Okay, big daddy, oh, these niggas know I'm on they road. Big fish, I'm O2 road. Bitch, that mean I'm on the road. Good brain, on the road. I need that on my soul. I'm riding the beat, damn, yeah, on my toes. I compete, range. I went pink, rain. I went caught me a grill. I went Johnny Dang. I'm still shitting on bitches. Let me go, chain. I went Cuban links. They went broke, chain. See on the nose swim, this is channel 22. So now I'm about to wash my face, because y'all see. No, actually, I'm gonna dermaplane my face first. We're gonna do that first. Okay. So I love this. This is from Dollar Tree, the Hydro Plus. It's just like me doing no shade. And I got the cream. I love this. The cream is good. So how I do mine, I just put the product where really just shave like my sideburns and my face right here. I'll do forehead last. I'm taking an A like flipper. It's ice on me, I'm chilly. 3 times I went triple dipper. Bitch, it's going down like a zipper. I'm holding him tight, I'm a gripper. He beating my shit with a straight face. Lining me up like a clipper. I don't give a fuck about a nigga. I don't give a fuck about a bitch for real. I really the shit for real. I'm really that bitch for real. I'm popping this shit in real life. They popping that shit for real. They not. I gotta do the forehead, but I'll do that in a minute. So this is just how much hair. Not too much, I shall say. Why am I not doing my forehead? Or should I? I'm gonna put it because I need to wrap it up there. And I'm gonna put the rest my Hydro Plus. I'm using Hydro Plus because you know, like bitches. Okay, y'all, so this is what we looking like. Oiled up, greased up, all that. So my camera had cut off, but only thing I did, wash my face as y'all seen, and then I put Vaseline
on my eyebrows and the mustache and my little hair where I narrowed. Everywhere else, I put on that Hydro Plus cream, and that's it. So that's all for tonight. And I'll see y'all tomorrow when I get my hair done. Hey y'all, we back with the birthday prep, period. So I just woke up, so I look a mess. But I took my ponytail down and I brushed it out a little bit. So now I'm about to dye my hair. And we're using this thing from Dollar Tree. So I seen my sister use this before, so she said get the box. So we just got black. So I'll be back once it's on my head and stuff. So the dye is on, and I'll be back in 25 minutes.
Sometimes I look around for someone might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience. Now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. It's the way they paint it. I love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just let them talk, but it bothers me 'cause it ain't love, it ain't love, it ain't love they see. But it ain't none to discuss 'cause it is to me. And so what? I tell you, tell me a couple times. Tell me, was it too young? Tell me.
So this is what we got. I just trimmed it and separated the front. Y'all guess what hairstyle I'm doing? Comment down below what you think it is. So I'll be back, y'all, when my hair is done. It might be today, might be tomorrow. We don't know.
Give it a spin.
Alright, y'all, this is the look.
Baby boy, baby.
Yeah. Hey y'all. So this is the motherfucking new nails. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Yeah, this is the other hand. They just press ons from Shein. So this is the end of my maintenance vlog. So tomorrow we're gonna start my real vlog. We're going to Columbus. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.